Welcome everybody, this is Anas and a quick review on a Mi Band 5 after using for 3 months. I'm a huge fan of the Mi Band. The first one I got was Mi Band 2, then I got Mi Band 3, and finally I have the Mi Band 5 now. I'm not gonna talk about all the awesome features that we all know, but I'm only gonna talk about its battery performance. I decided to make an experiment for testing that. Once I open the box, I charge the battery for 100% and I make sure that the Bluetooth is switched on 24/7, which means the band is connected with the phone all the time. Then I charged it again to 100% and this time with the Bluetooth switched off all the time. I only switched it on once or twice. It was really quick, I really had to do it. But anyways, I was surprised by the result at the end of all this. The battery lasts for 28 days while the Bluetooth was on. And while the Bluetooth was off, the band stays up for exactly 40 days. 40 days guys, until it reached 1%. And as a proof of that, I took a screenshot from the app that connects the band with the phone. So here it reached 39 days on 5%, then 3% 40 days, 1% 40 days. Why jump from 3% to 1 like that? I was just opening the Bluetooth frequently to check on it before it shut down. Maybe it could have gone for 41 days, but whatever. I remember very well that the Mi Band 2 was able to reach 20 days while the Bluetooth is off, so we are here talking about that the battery now is the double of that. In my opinion, this means that Mi Band 5 is one of the best fitness trackers in the market, which is not expensive and a long battery life plus all the awesome features we know about it. I think this video might be useful for anyone who's still searching for more experience details about Mi Band 5 before buying. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, stay safe, goodbye.